Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Cornish Pasties. Now I'm not particularly fussed on Cornish pasties, but my wife loves them. When she says she wants Cornish pasties is what she's going to have. You ever tried saying no to my wife? Arnold Schwarzenegger wouldn't say no to my wife. Oh yes, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Okay, first we make the pastry. Sieve the flour and salt into a suitably sized bowl. Add the lard and butter and mix in. It's handy to have the butter and lard at room temperature, it mixes in a lot easier. Next we add the water. Tablespoon at a time add to the flour and continue to mix until the pastry starts to come together. I asked my wife why she used a knife for the first part of mixing in the water into the flour before using her hands. I didn't get a suitable answer, so your guess is as good as mine. Anyway, continue to mix until the pastry comes together, then put it in a nice tight ball, wrap it in cling film and put it in the fridge for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Next we prepare the filling. This is really quite simple. Simply put all the filling ingredients in a bowl and thoroughly combine together and it's ready. After the pastry is rested in the fridge, take it out, divide it into 4 and roll each piece flat until you can cut an 8-inch circle out of each piece. We use a side plate for this, it makes life a lot easier, and it's a good opportunity for my wife to show off her rolling pin skills. Next we assemble the pasties. Divide the filling into 4 equal amounts and put in the centre of each pastry circle. Brush the inside edges of the pastry with the egg wash, fold in half and crimp using the edge of a fork. The comedy character Albert Stepper used to use a pair of old dentures to do the crimping, but I think I'll stick to a fork. Then simply repeat the remaining 3 pasties. Next we put the 4 pasties on an oven-proof non-stick tray, brush with the remaining egg wash, pierce the top so the steam can come out, then it's off to a preheated 180°C oven for 55 minutes, until nice and golden brown and cooked through. And that makes 4 tasty pasties and 1 happy wife. What more can a man want? Ferrari? Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.